In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up a new Airtable workspace. To begin, look to the left sidebar in Airtable and find the Workspaces section. Next to it, click the plus sign to create a new workspace. Airtable will prompt you to enter a name, so type the name you want to use for this workspace. This name is what you will see in your sidebar, so it helps to choose something that matches the theme, project, or purpose you have in mind. Once the name is entered, the new workspace will appear and you can move directly into setting up your first base. Inside the workspace, click the Create option marked with a plus sign. This is where Airtable asks how you want to start. You can choose Start from Scratch if you want a blank base, select a template if you want a pre-built structure, or use Import if your information already exists in another file or source. The option you choose here depends on how much structure you want from the beginning, but the next part of the setup stays the same either way. After you create the base, Airtable will ask for a name. Enter the name you want your base to have. You may see a default name such as Untitled Base, and you can replace that with something more specific. This is useful if you plan to create more than one base in the same workspace, since the name will help you recognize it later from the workspace view. Once the base opens, you can begin customizing it. Airtable usually starts with a default table, and if that table name does not fit your project, rename it to something that does. This helps keep the structure clear as your base grows. From there, add records manually or import them if your content already exists elsewhere. You can also customize the fields in the table so they match the kind of information you want to track. For example, you might adjust field names, change field types, or organize the columns so they reflect the way your data is meant to be used. Take a moment to confirm that the table and fields match the setup you want before moving on. If you want other people to work in the workspace with you, go to the top right corner and click Share. Airtable will open the sharing options, where you can invite collaborators to the workspace. Enter the appropriate account details for each person you want to add, then assign the permissions that fit their role. Make sure you choose the correct permission level before sending the invitation, since that controls what each collaborator can view or edit inside the workspace and its bases. Your new Airtable workspace is now set up with a base, customized structure, and optional collaborator access.